Well, I got up when I thought I would get up, but not when I wanted to get up. Good noontime, almost afternoon, SHunShiners and possibly SHunShaders. So I'm 90% sure, sorry, protecting against the wind, that I signed up for 1:45 p.m. I really hope it wasn't 1:45 a.m. and I really hope I have the right day. So we shall see. Okay, so now I'm sure I have the right day. I've seen other groups that are in my class leaving. Now let's hope I have the right time. So it took us about an hour to find a forest that is 35 minutes away from school. The GPS kept losing the signal. Anyways, the scene we are going to be making sound effects for is two people getting lost in the woods, and hopefully that's not foreshadowing for what actually happens, because it would suck to get lost, especially because we only have like 2 hours to complete this. And I may come back. This is a nice forest place to be in. Well, mission accomplished. We recorded the sounds we needed and brought them back. And it was fun. I mean, I like sound design, kind of, so I enjoyed the practical that we had to do. I may head back to the place where we recorded our sounds because it's a nice park. I could get out of my apartment and go on a nature hike sometime, but not today, some other time. So following the day where I missed a class, my mom decided to send me a backup alarm clock, just in case my phone doesn't wake me up, kind of thing. Well, I told her, I mean, unless it's an iHome, it's really not gonna come in any handy, because then I wouldn't have to move the charger to my room. I could just plug my iPhone in and use the alarm clock's alarm instead of my iPhone's alarm, because it works that way. But the clock arrived today, and it is not an iHome. I'm still gonna use it. You wanna know why? It's a STALK! There's another sound. I don't know why it's not making it now. Come on, say exterminate. Exterminate! Yes, and also another cool thing is, if I hold it over here, it projects the time onto the ceiling. So, that's pretty cool. I mean, I know they also make TARDIS versions of that, but I think the STALK is scarier. Like if I'm sleeping and suddenly I hear exterminate in my dream, I'm gonna be like, oh my god, a STALK is attacking me, and I'll be wide awake. So I don't even know where the snooze button is, if there even is a snooze button. But yeah, so this is my primary alarm, and my phone is now my backup. Only thing is, it can only store one alarm, so I may be constantly changing the alarm depending on the day, but whatever. Because of the practical today, I almost forgot. Happy Pi Day. It is the only math-related holiday that I celebrate simply because how you celebrate is eat pie. Well, I just watched a bunch of YouTube between having some pie and now. And I finally have 2 days back to back with no classes. Don't know how I managed that, or why it was scheduled as such, but I don't have a class tomorrow, and then there's no class on Sunday, I think. Good night, whoever's watching this. See you tomorrow. Well, I won't see you, but you will see me. If you enjoy watching my vlogs, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Awkward cut to outro.
There's a vlog on the web featuring Ben STALK that he shoots every day as he walks and talks. If you're Bigfoot in the woods or producers in LA, you should stop all your shit and watch SHunShineSHate. 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 Has nothing to do with Florida, but it's great. If you can't wait, don't get irate. Just stay in your sheet, cause it's SHunShineSHate.